Dear friends, do you know the most important and most repeated medical terms which are often used in nursing and medical classes? It is the time to challenge your knowledge. In this session, we are going to talk about 30 most important and most repeated terms along with their details. So let us see what will be your score out of 30 terms. Ready for the challenge? Let's start. Anatomy. Anatomy is the study of the structure and organization of the body that includes organs, tissues, and systems, often involving dissection and examination cadavers. Term number 2, physiology. The physiology is the study of the function and processes of living organism, exploring how organs and systems work together to maintain homeostasis. Term number 3, diagnosis. Diagnosis is the identification of a disease or condition based on symptoms, physical examination, laboratory test, imaging studies, and patient history. It is called as diagnosis. Next term, treatment. The management or care provided to alleviate symptoms, cure disease, or to improve patients' quality of life, often involving medications, surgery, therapy, or lifestyle changes. It is known as treatment. Next term, symptom. It is a subjective indication of a disease or condition experienced by the patient, such as pain, fatigue, or nausea, which may vary in severity and presentation. Next term, sign. Sign is an objective indication of a disease or condition that can be observed or measured by a healthcare provider, such as fever, rash, or abnormal laboratory results. Next term, prognosis. The predicted outcome or course of a disease or condition. It is based on factors such as the nature of the illness, treatment options, and patient characteristics. Next term, pathology. Pathology is the study of the nature and causes of diseases, including their effects on tissues, organs, and bodily functions, often involving examination or biopsy specimens. Next term is etiology. Etiology is the study of the causes or origins of diseases, including genetics, environmental, infectious, and lifestyle factors that contribute to their development. Next term is inflammation. Inflammation is the body's response to an injury or infection, characterized by redness, swelling, heat, and pain, as immune cells and chemicals work to repair damaged tissue and to fight off pathogens. Next term, immunity. Immunity is the body's ability to resist and fight off infection and diseases, achieved through a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs collectively known as the immune system. Next term is vaccine. Vaccine is a biological preparation that stimulates the immune system to develop immunity of a specific disease, typically containing weakened or inactivated forms of the pathogen or its toxins. Next term, antibiotics. Antibiotic is a medication used to treat bacterial infections by killing or inhibiting the growth of bacteria, targeting specific cellular processes or structures essential for bacterial survival. Next term, antibody. Antibody is a protein produced by the immune system in response to the presence of a foreign substances or antigen, such as virus, bacterium, which binds to and neutralizes the antigen, facilitating its destruction by other immune cells. Next term, surgery. Surgery is a medical procedure involving manual or instrumental manipulation of tissues to diagnose, treat, or cure diseases or injury, often requiring anesthesia and performed in an operating room by a surgical team. Next term, radiology is a medical specialty involving the use of medical imaging techniques like X-ray, CT scan, and MRI for diagnosis and treatment, allowing visualization of internal structures and abnormalities. Next term, oncology. Oncology is the branch of medicine that deals with the diagnosis and treatment of cancer, including chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgery, and targeted therapies aimed to destroying cancer cells. Next term is cardiology. The cardiology is the branch of medicine that deals with the study and treatment of the heart and cardiovascular system, including diagnosis, management of heart disease, hypertension, and heart failures. Next term, neurology. Neurology is the branch of medicine that deals with the study and treatment of the nerve system, and it includes neurological examinations, imaging studies, and neurosurgical interventions. Next term, gastroenterology. It is the branch of medicine that deals with the study and treatment of digestive system and its disorders. It includes gastrointestinal bleeding, inflammatory bowel disease, and liver diseases. Next term, dermatology. Dermatology is the branch of medicine that deals with the study and treatment of the skin, hair, and nails, and also related disorders that includes acne, eczema, psoriasis, and skin cancers. Next term, orthopedics. Orthopedics is the branch of medicine that deals with the study and treatment of musculoskeletal system disorders and injuries, including fractures, arthritis, sports injuries, and joint replacement and surgeries. Next term is hematology. Hematology is the branch of medicine that deals with the study and treatment of blood and blood disorders that includes anemia, leukemia, lymphoma, and bleeding disorders. Dear friends, it's the time to comment your score out of 20. So let us see what is your score out of 20. Please comment your score. And if the video was helpful, then please comment your view on this video. And do support us by liking and subscribing and sharing our channel, our videos. So thank you so much for watching and wish you good luck for your upcoming exams.